Hello students, in the previous video we learned how to write the formal letter, and the letter we wrote was to the editor of the newspaper. I repeat what we did in the previous video. First of all, we have to write the sender's address. Here the sender's address is 12 Deep Nagar, Jalandhar, and then date is written, and here we wrote the receiver's address, and the address was the editor, the Tribune, Jalandhar, and then subject and salutation, sir or madam, body of the letter or content of the letter, and in the last again the salutation, yours faithfully or truly. In the now we will deal how we can write the official letters to the other officials other than the letter to the editor. Okay, everything will remain same. Everything will be same here also. Only the receiver's address will change. Okay, first of all we will take our first official, that is MC of the city. The MC means the Municipal Commissioner. We will write the Municipal Commissioner, and the Municipal Commissioner belongs to a city. City, like we know that Garshankar, for example, I take the example of Garshankar. Garshankar is a city, and he is the Municipal Commissioner, is the part of the Municipal Corporation. So first we will write the Municipal Commissioner, Municipal Corporation, then Garshankar. Everything is same, only we have changed the receiver's address. I will tell you how we will write the receiver's address to the different officials. Because other things remain same, only the official's address will change, only the receiver's address will change according to the question asked in the paper. And I will deal all the officials with you. I have written on this side the name of the various officials. So I hope you have understood that you will be able to write the receiver's address well. If you get in a paper, write a letter to the Municipal Commissioner of your city, telling him the problem of the water supply in your area. Okay? So I hope you will be able to write this letter using this address. Next is the DC, and we all know the full form of the DC is the Deputy Commissioner. The Deputy Commissioner and the Deputy Commissioner belongs to the district. DC belongs to a district. For example, Garshankar is a city. But we will not write here Deputy Commissioner Garshankar, because Deputy Commissioner does not belongs to the Garshankar. He belongs to the district. Garshankar is in which district? Hoshiarpur. So we will write the Deputy Commissioner Hoshiarpur. And that's it. Then we'll mention the subject, and then salutation and the body of the letter. And if you get, sometimes it is mentioned in the paper, write a letter to the Deputy Commissioner of Amritsar, telling him your problem of the water supply or electricity, any problem that you want to be discussed with the Deputy Commissioner. You will write the sender's address, then date, then the receiver's address as the Deputy Commissioner, then the district name, and then the same format. Next is the manager. Manager could be of like bank manager or the manager of other organizations So in this case, in the case of manager, you will write the manager. You can write the name of the bank, Punjab National Bank. And where is that bank? It is in Nawashahar, it is in Garshankar, it is in Hoshiarpur, it is in Jalandhar. You will mention that thing, okay? The branch name, okay? So this is how you will write to the manager. And there are managers in other organizations also, like in Punjab Roadways and in in some other company also. So you will just everything will remain same. You will write the manager, Punjab Roadways, where the office is of Punjab Roadways, okay, like Jalandhar or Hoshiarpur. Or you can write the manager of the company. Then you will write manager, company's name. For example, Harrison's company, okay, and then where is that company? Name of the city. That's it. This is how the receiver's address will change and everything else will remain same. Next is the postmaster. You must have heard the letter written to the postmaster for the late delivery of the mails, and for this you will write the letter to the postmaster. The postmaster general, post office. And where is that post office? For example, in Nawashahar. Everything else is same, just we have changed the name of the official, the postmaster journal, then the post office, and where is that post office? Name of the city. Okay, next is the superintendent, SP. And what is the full form of the SP? Just a second, let me write the subject again because I have erased it. Sorry for that. Okay. SP, full form of SP is Superintendent of the Police. The Superintendent of Police, Superintendent of Police, and the SP belongs to a district. So in this case, we will write Superintendent of Police. For example, Hoshiarpur. So if you have to file any complaint on the loss of your vehicle, on the loss of your mobile phone, if in the paper it is mentioned, write the letter to the superintendent of the police on the loss of your new bike, then you will write like this, superintendent of police, and then the name of the city. Okay, next official we have is the station master, and the station master is in railways. The station master, railway station, which railway station? Railway station of, for example, Jalandhar. Maybe you went on the train to some place and you lost your luggage there, then you can complain to the station master. You will write station master, railway station, Which railway station? Jalandhar. Okay. Then as the next official we have is the SDO. The SDO, and it is in the Punjab State Electricity Board. Punjab State Electricity Board, or we also write PS. We can also write to it PSPCL. Okay. To the power supply office, we'd also name it PSPCL. Okay. And SDO lives in which city? Then you will write the name of the city. For example, again Jalandhar. Okay. We have done this official also. Then SHO. SHO means the station house officer. For example, you want to complain to the local police about something, about the your stolen thing. Then you can write to the SHO, the station house officer, and then the name of the city, for example Balachor. I have discussed the main officials with you, almost all the officials with you that are asked in the final examination. I hope you will practice these at home and try to understand and learn it. And I repeat everything with you once again. First of all, we write the sender's address. You can change the sender's address according to your choice. But if it is mentioned in the paper that fixed address, then you have to write only that address. Then is the date. Then receiver's address. It will also, the receiver's name will also be mentioned in the paper. It is always written, write a letter to the editor of newspaper, write a letter to the postmaster, write a letter to the deputy commissioner of your district. It is always written. So from there you will choose the receiver's address. This is the receiver's address. Then you will mention the subject, which should be very precise, very brief. That should highlight the main problem or main theme of your writing the letter. Then salutation, which you can write sir or madam only, should not write dear or other words. Then the body of the letter, and then the last you will mention yours faithfully and the name. I hope you have understood how to write a formal letter to the different officials. Thank you very much.